Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Java Jdk 11 or any JDK versions into your Ubuntu operating system. So for that, just go to your favorite browser and search for download Java Jdk and click enter. So this will open the first link from oracle.com. Just click on this oracle.com and here you can see the Java 16 and Java 11 and Java 8. So at the time of releasing this video, so 11 version is the long-term support. So I will be showing you how to install this 11 version. Just click on this JDK download and down here you can see the Debain package. So you just need to download this Debain package. So just click on this JDK 11 and tick here and click on download. So this will basically open the oracle.com login page. So to install other newer versions, you don't need to sign up, but for 11 version, you need to create one account. So let me quickly create one account and type your email address. So in my case, it's 77@gmail.com. So basically fill up all the fields here and password, and let me give the country name and job title. You can give something like software developer, and so go to your email address. So you can see your account has been created. So just verify your email address and click on continue. So now if I go to this login page and if I just enter my email address and if I just enter my password, so this will automatically start downloading the Debain file. So you can see here the JDK 11 Debain file is being downloaded. So the Debain file has been downloaded. Now if I just go to the desktop here and open in terminal, and if I just type java -version, and it shows the command like Java is not found. So Java is basically not installed into my system. So let me go to the downloads here. So it has downloaded the JDK 11. So just right click and open in terminal and just type sudo dpkg -i and jdk and just type tab. So this will automatically detect the Debain file and click enter and enter your password. So this will basically install the JDK. And once this is done, so next step is to use the update alternative command to set the path. So for that, just type sudo update and -alternatives and -- install and /user/bin. So I will be providing the link into the description for the commands, and Java, and again type space and Java and space user/lib/jvm, and you can just type tab so that it will automatically detect the JDK installed into that location, and just type /bin and Java and space 1 and click enter. Now if I type Java -version, you can see here the Java 11 version has been installed. Now I have to do the same command, so just type the up arrow. So this up arrow will automatically load the code and just replace the Java by C. Java C here, and here also Java C, and here also Java C. And if I click enter, now if I have to type Java C -version, so you can see there Java compiler 11 also has been installed. Now if I have to set the Java home, so for that just type sudo update -alternatives and -config and Java. So you can see the path here. So just copy this user and this path, copy, and now open the sudo gedit and etc and environment. So this will open the environment here, and you just need to give the path here. So for that, go to the down here and just type java home and inverted comma and copy that path and save. And now we need to refresh our environment variable. For that, just type source /etc /environment, and if I just type enter, so this will refresh the environment. Now if I type echo $$ and java home in capital letter, so this will show the Java home path as well. So this is how you install Java JDK into your Ubuntu operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.